Alright guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to analyze your chart. Alright, any chart at all, you'll be able to analyze it, alright, and know the direction where your trade is going to go. Alright, now this is NZD USD chart. What we'll be doing first is number one, knowing the market direction. Okay, the market direction, the direction in which the trade has been going before now. All right, so now let's go to the 1 month. Okay, we are already in the 1 month time frame. All right, when you want to, the first thing you do is you go to your higher time frame, which is the 1 month time frame. Okay, now to know the direction of this market, what is the first thing to do? Number one is to put your trend. You can see, looking at this market, you can easily tell the direction of the market. All right, this direction has been going down. So you say the direction of the market is bearish. Okay, so now on this plain chart now, you already known the direction of the market. That's the first thing that you should do whenever you want to analyze a chart. Then number two, now that we have known the direction, that the direction is bearish, now is to now check what is the market condition. Now we need to now know what is the market condition. Is this market a consolidating market, a trending market? So what is the present state of the market? Now we have known that the overall direction is bullish. So now let's go to the lower time frame now and know what is the present condition of the market. Now let's first go to the weekly first. Okay, what is happening on the weekly time frame? Okay, is it trending? Is it bullish? Is it bearish? What is the direction of the weekly market? All right, so now we are on the weekly chart, okay, which you can see here. We'll be using the blue. Okay, let's make it make this line blue now. All right, now in the weekly chart, okay, you can see the overall. We know it's an overall trending market, but now let's look at the weekly now. Okay, now this is the weekly movement so far. Okay, now based on the weekly, what we can see here, we can see that the market is, let me show you something now. The market is consolidating. All right, so now the condition of the market has been consolidating for a while. Hope you can see now. This market has been consolidating. So we can now say that, okay, now on the weekly chart, the condition of the market, the overall market is a trending market, but on the weekly chart, the market is consolidating. All right. Now, once we have already known that the market is consolidating, then we now have to mark how the strong resistance and the support zone, which are these ones already. If we now plan to trade this market, knowing that it's a consolidating market already, okay, we now have to mark the strong resistance and support zone. Now let's go to now the daily. Okay, after we've done that, let's go to the daily chart and see what we can find on the daily chart. Okay, now Once we have marked the daily chart, now we will be looking for the weekly chart. On the daily chart, we'll be looking for potential entry. Okay, let me take out this. Already this known that this is a consolidating market. Now on the daily chart, this is now the daily. All right, from the daily chart now we'll now be looking for potential entry. Now looking at what we have here, okay, looking at what we have here, to take an entry, how do we take an entry on this daily chart? Okay, now on the daily chart now, is the market going bullish or bearish? Before we take our entry on the daily chart, is the market bullish or bearish? Okay, now you can see what we have here now. Okay, let's this point here. All right, this is what is happening now. Now the market has already touched this consolidation. As you can see, the market has already touched this zone, this support zone here. Look at another touch here, and look at another touch here. And you know, when there is more than one touch on the support zone, it becomes a stronger support zone. So what are we looking at now? We are looking at this trade retesting here and going back up, coming point to this point. That is what we are looking at on the direction of this trade right now. All right, now we can now find an entry when this candle drop to this point. Okay, let me show you so that we can get clearly. All right, when this candle, we are looking at now this candle, this daily candle, and it comes to hit this point. Okay, then we will now, and it returns back up. Okay, let me take this out before we take the trade. Now is now to watch this come here, touch, return up here, retest. Okay, then we can now pick up the trade from this point. Okay, then if it breaks down and retest, you know that we can pick it up from this point here. All right, so now this is the simple way to analyze chart. One, you have to know, you have to go to your higher time frame and know the overall market view. Then secondly, you have to now check the present market condition. Okay, is it consolidating, is it trending, all right, or is it reversing? Then thirdly, you mark the strong resistance and support zone. Then you use your trend lines, fourthly, to mark the present direction of the trade, okay, to find an entry. All right, so that is all for this video.